Hi, folks, and welcome. My name is Pat Gage, and I'm the host of the Commercial Real Estate Investing Mastermind for Multifamily. I would like to invite you to our next mastermind, which is Wednesday, June 2nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, when my guest will be Brady Hoffmeyer. Brady holds degrees in mechanical engineering and engineering management. As a senior project manager for a global 500 company, he has managed large multinational product development programs. Witnessing in his industry loss or leave their many of the colleagues leave and lose their jobs due to market uncertainties, Brady sought out a more stable form of income. Brady's journey led him to focus his talents on multifamily syndication, where he launched Ridgeline Equity. Now, Brady hopes to help busy professionals invest in and build wealth through real estate. Brady lives with his wife and two children in Charlotte, North Carolina, and he's going to join us Wednesday, June 2nd at 7 p.m. Go ahead and register and reserve your spot right there. The link is on the screen as well as in the description of this video. Please join us as he details out his journey on and how he's moved his busy professional life, and still has a W-2 job now, and he's still doing this business. So it definitely is possible, folks. So please come, listen, ask questions, and learn. January, or I should say June 2nd at 7 p.m. That's a Wednesday night for our next mastermind. Thank you very much, and we'll see you then.